To buy and sell cryptocurrency on a particular platform, the process is relatively straightforward. Begin by navigating to the buy option and selecting the cryptocurrency you wish to purchase, such as Solana. You will then be prompted to add a payment method or use a previously deposited balance from your bank account. Various payment methods are available, including Apple Pay, and you can also add a new payment method if needed. Next, decide how much of the cryptocurrency you want to buy, with the option to purchase in terms of the cryptocurrency itself or your local currency. Once you have entered the desired amount, confirm the purchase and complete the payment. To sell cryptocurrency, start by returning to the home screen and clicking on the Accounts section. From there, select your crypto wallet to view the cryptocurrencies you currently own. Choose the specific cryptocurrency you want to sell, such as Bitcoin, and click on the Sell option. You will then have the option to sell for cash or exchange it for a different cryptocurrency. If you choose to sell for cash, select the amount you want to sell, which can be the maximum amount available, and confirm the transaction. Finally, enter the required information, such as your postcode, and the sale will be complete.